Yeah, what if you can do this? You click on a cell and it highlights the whole row so that it will be very easy for you to follow that row all the way up to the end of your row. Yeah. I don't know where else you're going to apply this, but let me show you how you can be able to create this. The first thing, highlight the whole of your sheet like that, and then go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, and click use a formula to determine which cell is to be formatted. Click on that, and then type this is equals to row is equals to cell into bracket, and then between the quotes row, you cross the quotes, and then you close that. Now click on format, and from here you can select whatever else you want. Now I want bold and italics. You can either ignore this or just do whatever you want. And then I want to change the color. Click on fill, and then go and select whichever color. Now we used I think green. Now let's try to use something else. We are going to use this one here. Click on OK, and I think we are set. Now you can see from the preview how the cell will look like. Click on OK, and now the first step is done. We go to the second one. You go to the sheet here, right click on the name of the sheet down there, then click on view code. Change this from general to worksheet because we want that to work within the sheet that we've selected there, and then type this target dot calculate. Okay, we're good to go. You can close everything and go back to your sheet and start highlighting like a pro. One of my friends told me that he's going to buy me a mouse if we get to 5,000 subscribers, and I'm sure you're going to get there.